Airborne cable cars are coming to Chicago. Chicago is reviewing an ambitious plan to install aerial cable cars, dubbed the Skyline, as the city's newest tourist attraction. The aerial gondola ride would stretch from Wacker Drive to Navy Pier, along the Chicago River. The gondolas would be lifted 17 stories above the ground and will be designed to transport about 3,000 people per hour. The ride would operate day and night all year round. Officials say it may be able to attract 1.4 million visitors a year to Chicago. The estimated cost for the project is about $250 million, but taxpayers don't have to worry. The founder of the project is confident that it can be privately financed, without any state or city funding.